Let's watch this fun video that Gigi and Juju made for us after learning how to make animal sounds with Captain Al.
Hi guys! Today we're learning about animal noises. But wait! You have to have a costume like me! Oh yeah! First animal we have today is a hedgehog. The hedgehog sounds like a choo-choo train, right? Yeah. And it goes... Yeah. Next animal is a bat. Bats go... They sound like they're kissing somebody. When you go... like that. But you go... The next animal is a Gila monster. A Gila monster hisses, and it goes like this. Can you hiss like a Gila monster? Our next animal noise is going to be a bumblebee. A bumblebee. Do you like bumblebees, Juju? Yeah. Yeah? Yep. What do bumblebees sound like? Yeah, they go. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Our next animal is a bear. Bears go. Can you growl like a bear? Our very last animal is a snake. We're gonna make a rattlesnake noise. It's like rolling